Hello, good morning. Hey, children. How are things going? All going good? Okay. Yes, today, yeah, you can see in front itself few pictures of animal, then some kind of insects. Okay. So, what do you think about this topic? You might have strike this name in your mind that how to ask for a hamster, a topic, a poem in your story. I mean in your textbook, right? Okay. So those who watch this video right now, I think you might have taken your textbook for reading the poem, right? Okay. So let's move. And by seeing this picture, what do you understand? How to ask for a hamster? Hamster means it's a type of rat like a rodent. Okay, it's a type of rat like a mouse like a animal. Okay, hamster. I will show you the picture of hamster. Okay. Yes. So let's move. Yes. Uh, yes. Let me show you. Okay. Can you see an animal here, a mouse like this? This is hamster. Okay. That is hamster. Yes. So, how to ask for a hamster? Mom, can I keep a snake in my room? What did you say? Are you mad? Well, Jami keeps a snake in his room. He got it from his dad. Okay, see, first stanza, then next. Okay, in story we say that for paragraph, but for the poem we say that stanza. Okay, 4 lines, 3 lines, 6 lines, whatever it is, 5 lines. Okay, so that is one stanza, 4 lines. Then next one. Will you buy me a mongoose, mom? I've been with one. It belongs to Maria. It's really docile. Can I please, mom? I don't think that's a good idea. Okay, so italicized words that says by mother. Okay, what did you say? Are you mad? It says by mother. Okay, then next, can I have a pony then? I could afford to pay for hay. Okay, means he says that he has money to pay for for his food. Okay, pony means I'll show you, don't worry. Okay, you might have seen in the picture, yeah, this is pony, long haired horse, that is pony. Hamster, then next one, mongoose. Look at this is mongoose. Okay, this animal is mongoose. Okay, next, okay, so pony, long haired horse. Okay, and do you know how much a pony costs? Means we know that a horse they are always costly. Okay, and pony means high price it is, because pony quite attractive it is. Okay, like beautiful it is to see. Okay, so it might be high costly. Okay, then Japheth got one from for his birthday. Japheth got one for his birthday. Next, how about a crocodile? They sell them in Didcot. I think that's where Chloe bought hers. Okay, Chloe bought hers because Chloe has a crocodile, so she bought her crocodile from where? Didcot. Okay, can I have one? Certainly not, said by mother. Then next, I'll settle with a tarantula then. It would be in a cage, of course. Joshua has a tarantula. Okay, so next he wants to buy a tarantula. Tarantula, see, look at this spider like a thing. Okay, long haired big spider. Okay, that is known as tarantula. Okay, so mother says that okay, oh no, I can think of nothing worse. Okay, means she cannot think for worse things. Okay, then means worse means very bad. Okay, she cannot think about these very bad things. Okay, then what about a little monkey? Tina has a chimpanzee. Chimpanzee. This is chimpanzee. Oh, see how smart he is. Okay, next. Yes. So Tina has a chimpanzee. Everyone in class has a pet. Everybody except me. Except me means he has no pet. Rest of all the students have pets. Let's read this. Let me elaborate. Okay. Hamsters often fill their fat cheeks with the food. Okay, means they fill all, like you might have seen that squirrel also, they put all like that groundnut, all the things, okay, together in their mouth, and they just escape from that place. Okay, and they take it to away. I told you, like squirrel also doing the same. Okay, away to a hiding place. Okay, they usually sleep for more than 12 hours. Okay, tarantula sleep for more than 12 hours. curled up tight like a ball. See, that's why I showed you this picture. Okay, this is curled up, rounded like like a ball. Okay, round body, like a curving the body. Okay, rotating the body and like a ball. Okay. Then they need lots of exercise and things to do so that they don't get bored. Okay, means for we also, if we want to be sleep like that, we need lots of practice and exercise. So and for them it is not easy always. Okay, so it takes time and like that they don't get bored. Okay, do you get bored? Have you ever got bored for anything, doing anything, or simply sitting at that time? Just do something which you cannot do. Okay, try to do. Okay, just so you won't get bored. Okay, or something, make something interesting or some idea and work for it, so you will not get bored. Okay. Then next, or just start a habit like reading habit. Okay, next. Yes, so you can have a cat or a hamster. You cannot have a snake or mouse or no croc, monkey or creepy crawlies. Creepy crawlies means like insects. You know that lizard, millipede, scorpion, this kind of, then spider, any kind of creepy crawlies. Okay, so mother said that you can have a cat or a hamster. Hamster is that also. See, look at this picture. That is hamster. It's also a rat-like animal. Okay, rodent. Okay, you cannot have a snake or mouse. No crocs. Crocs means the short form of crocodile. Then monkey or creepy crawlies. Okay, even he cannot be a monkey. I won't have a zoo in the house. I won't have a zoo in the house. Okay, means the mother says that there's no zoo. Zoo means you know that all kind of animals are there. Okay, so okay, I'll settle with for a hamster. It's better it's better than nothing, I suppose. It's better than nothing, I suppose. Means it's better. Okay, something is better than nothing, like that. Okay, at least he has a hamster. It's better. Okay, otherwise he has nothing. Okay, so at least a hamster is good. Okay, like that he says. We promised to go. Okay, sorry. Oh, there's the doorbell. Must be Jammy. Oh, there's the doorbell. Must be Jammy. We promised to go out to play. Sorry, to go and play at Joyce. Okay. We promised to go and play at Joyce. Joyce means Joyce house or that pet something. Okay. Then Jammy, you were right. I tried it. Now he is speaking to Jammy. Okay. Jammy, you were right. I tried it. Just like you said, it worked a treat. Okay. Worked a treat means like a successful or happiness. Okay. Then okay, worked a treat. Okay, then I'm getting the hamster. Now tell me, how do I ask for a parakeet? How do I ask for a parakeet? This is parakeet. Okay, this bird is parakeet, like a parrot. Okay, parakeet. So, did you understand the topic? Any doubt is there? You can ask me. I told you. Okay, you can either message me or you can call me. Now next, let's learn new words. Docile. Okay, docile means ready to accept control or instruction. Submissive. Then next, tarantula, a very large hairy spider. Okay, I showed you the picture. Then hamster, a rodent with a short tail. Okay, and a large cheek pouches. Okay, large cheek pouches. This is rodent. Okay, sorry, hamster. Then next, make sentences with afford. Afford means we cannot accept. Okay, we don't have that much money, so afford. Okay, then settle means just something doing. Okay, settle. Okay, work out. Then afford, everyone cannot afford to keep an elephant at home as a pet. Okay, means everyone cannot buy. Then John and Tommy settled their disputes. Disputes means a quarrel. Okay, dispute means I'll clarify. Okay, dispute, yes. Okay, a disagreement. Okay, disagreement or like a small quarrel. Not fight means with body and physically, but quarrel means with words. Okay, so disagreement. Okay, so they between them there had a dispute. Okay, means a small quarrel, and they settled it. Means they solved it. Settle means solve. Then next answer. Let's answer. Name the pets these friends have. Maria, which pet she has. Jami, which pet he has. Tina, which pet she has. Japhet, which pet he has. Joshua, which has. Chloe, which she or he has. Then next second one. Do you think these children really own these pets? Give reason for your answer. Next, the child in the poem finally manages to get that he wants from his mother. Whose idea did he implement? Implement means the work for, okay, he made it, okay, he created. Then which lines in the poem convey this? Okay, now these are the answers. First one, Maria has a mongoose, Jami has a snake, Tina has a chimpanzee, Japhet has a pony, Joshua has a tarantula, Chloe has a crocodile. Then next, no, I don't think these children really keep these pets. First, these animals are dangerous, and secondly, their food and protection need a lot of money. Next, the child implemented Jami's idea. Jami, later he came, okay, so his idea. The second line in the ninth stanza conveys this. Second line in the ninth stanza. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and see second line. Just like you said, I worked at it. So he was saying to Jami. Okay, so just like you said means from there we can understand that this idea is given by Jami. Next, tarantula. Sorry. Okay, let's find out. Tarantulas are native to. Native to means where they born. Okay, where the origin. Okay, then hamsters are native to. Name 6 rodents other than hamsters. Okay, we know that squirrel is a rodent, then rat, mouse. Okay, then anything else? Okay, don't worry, I'll give you. Okay, with the picture. Then what is special about their teeth? Okay, rodents has teeth. Okay, too long. Okay, what is special about teeth? Okay, don't worry, I'll give you the answer for that also. What do they eat? What do they eat? What these rodents? What do they eat? These are the answers. Tarantulas. Okay. Tarantulas native to tarantulas are, okay, spelling mistake. Tarantulas are native to South America. Hamsters are native to Syria, okay, which is a Gulf country, okay, Arabic country. Then other rodents rather than hamster. Squirrel, you know what is that? Beaver. See, look at this first picture. Beaver, which may build the house in water. Then rat, you know that what is rat, a type of mouse. Okay, then guinea pig. This is guinea pig. It has no tail. Then porcupine has the spines. Okay, spines. It has, okay, spine, thorn. Okay, on his bone. Chinchilla. See what specialty with its tail. Okay, see, like cat's tail. Okay, that is known as chinchilla. All rodents have a pair of upper and pair of lower teeth called incisors. Okay, what rodents? Okay, long. Okay, then unlike our teeth, not like our teeth. Okay, these incisors don't have roots. Okay, we have roots. The upper side that where the roots are there for these all teeth. Okay, but they don't have roots. Okay, and they never stop growing. Okay, they always growing. Not ours. It has a time. Okay, after the particular age, it starts to fall down. Okay, but here for this rodents, it always grows. Then to keep these teeth from growing into their brains. Okay, so from down it can grow to their brain. Okay, or from upper also it can grow. Okay, to their brain. So what do they do? Rodents grind their teeth. Grind means you know that cutting. Okay, small like that. Grind their teeth. Okay, how they eat the food? Grinding. Grinding. Okay, so like that whatever coconut or whatever it is that, okay, they grind their teeth against each other. Okay, not to the coconut. Okay, they each other. Okay, suppose that two guinea pigs are there. Okay, one guinea pig grind others teeth and other guinea pig grind this guinea pig's teeth. Okay, like that. Or squirrel, whatever it is. They prefer to eat plant foods like seeds, grains and small foods. Okay, they prefer to eat plant foods. Okay, plant means foods from the plants like seeds. Okay, seeds of, like I told you that groundnut, it's a seed. Okay, Walnut, it's a seed. Then small fruit, okay. Grains, you know that what are the grains, like that also peanut is a grain, okay. Then rice, whatever it is, or wheat, that's all are grains, okay. Then and small fruit like cherry or whatever it is, okay. Small fruits. So next, imaginative writing. This is for you. It's an assignment for you. Okay, now you are happy? Yes. If you were to ask for an unusual pet, your parents, especially your mother, wouldn't want even a normal one. How would you ask? How would you go about asking for it? Okay, suppose that ask like our that poet in this poem. He asked for a hamster in a different way. Okay, so now you want to ask something. Okay, what we can say. Okay, you want to keep a monkey, okay, chimpanzee or something like that, a pet, okay, as a pet. Okay, that's cute, really. Okay, yeah. So you want to keep the chimpanzee or monkey as a pet. I'm not saying only chimpanzee. You can find anything, okay, not only chimpanzee. You can find any animal, okay, which is not usual, like our puppy or that kitten, something else, okay. So how you can means how you will plan to ask for it, okay, like this he has asked in a different way. So like this, how you will ask for that you have to write which animal you want to keep as a pet and how you will ask for that you have to write it as a paragraph. Okay, did you understand? Any doubt from the topic? I hope no. So tomorrow we will start, we will take another topic. Till then, bye bye. Thanks a bundle. Have a great day.